is Charlie Bird and we gotta do Scooby-Doo. Okay, we got the colors already. That was real quickly. Okay, then you do his nose and his thingy to make Scooby-Doo's. There. And you do a straight line, but past that. Okay. Then you do his smile. Smiles always come from Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. You do another ear. Then you do his eyes. Okay. Then his eyebrows. Then go down. Finish the top so we can do this. Then you do this, and then this, and then this. Now let's color him in. Don't need black. You need brown. To coloring Scooby. He has spots, but he doesn't have spots on his neck. But I like Scooby because he's real funny. But he's Shaggy's best friend. I know who's Shaggy, but I'm not going to tell what he looks like. Okay. There's Scooby's. Oh, me coloring this. Oh, there we go. We don't need brown anymore because we finished. Then you do his necklace. Now let's do green for here. Okay, now the lucky last color, blue. I will be real quickly. There. I haven't written his name. You need brown again. U, B, E, D, U. This is how you do Scooby-Doo. And if you want to draw a picture, you can.